The FCT Minister Barrister Ezenwo Wike has signed 2 landmark Memoranda of Understanding with Chinese companies, China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation and China Geo-Engineering Corporation Overseas Construction Group on Saturday, September 7, 2024 in Beijing, China. Usman Katun Umar reports that the agreements aim to illuminate the FCT using solar power and ensure rural water supply. His report.
In the signing ceremony, which took place on the sidelines of the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation (FOCAC) Summit, Barrister Wike emphasized that the project would be completed in time for Abuja's 50th anniversary celebration in 2025.
Abuja will be 50 years by its establishment of creation by next year, and so we'll be having the Jubilee for making Abuja to 50 years. We want Abuja to be like other cities. When Beijing see what we have seen, everywhere is lit up. There's only that darkness in Beijing. And so we have come into agreement with 2 major companies in China, CCECC and CGCOC group, which we call in Nigeria CGC, to divide the jobs by making sure that Abuja is lit up. The whole area of Maitamba, the whole area of Asokoro, Wuse, Central Business Area, the airport road down to the Clinton Drive will be handled by CCECC, while the districts of Maabuchi, Katambe, and Gariki will be handled by CGCOC, or what we call the CGC group. And then again, we have gone further. Of course, you know what we call Greater Abuja Water, which is being handled by the CGC group. And that has been awarded for some years. But by the grace of God, they have now up to 70% completion. We believe by the grace of God, by this December or thereabout, they would have completed it.
He credited President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for championing these initiatives at the FOCAC Summit as part of his commitment to revitalize hope for FCT residents and drive the territory's development. Barrister Wike also expressed gratitude to the President for approving the FCTA to embark on these vital projects and urged CGCOC to ensure swift delivery and realization of water supply in satellite towns.
But Mr. President, he said, look, you can't only provide for the cities, you also have to talk about the satellite towns, the rural area, the area councils. And so we came up with this idea that, look, that we need to have satellite water supply in Gwagwalada, in Kwale, and Kuje. So we're able to sign that memorandum of understanding with CGC for them to carry out this assignment. So it is not what we say that it's only the city center that's being concentrated. Now we're also talking about the area councils. It has never happened before. This is the first time. And so we're happy for the opportunity Mr. President has given and for his commitment. But I think that we must make sure that this takes place. It's not just to come to China and what I'm going back home with. As I speak to you, as we go back, this has to be implemented. Procurement process will have to start.
In response, CCECC President Mr. Cheng Sin Chang and CGCOC Chairman Mr. Lang Mei Zhong thanked the minister for the trust placed in them and assured him of quality and timely project delivery.
On behalf of CGCOC Group, I would like to thank His Excellency, the Minister of FCT. So for this project, I do think that is a trail of China-African corporations. Since this time I come for the FOCAC, this project is a trail project for this FOCAC spirit. Regarding this project, it is benefiting the people's lightning or the waters. It's really the social benefit project. As CGC is always doing, we are according to the directive of FCT, understand and also specification to complete this project in time and in quality. It has been testimonied by the project we have executed before.
The MOU signing is a direct outcome of the recently concluded Forum on China-Africa Cooperation Summit in Beijing, China. During the summit, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu visited CCECC and explored areas of cooperation with Nigeria, paving the way for these significant agreements. Usman Katun Umar, ASO Television News.